What are Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams was invented by John Venn in 1880 as a way of picturing the relationship between different group of things. Generally, sets are depicted by circles, but not limited to circles. You can use oval or squares to represent a set. The universal set is usually represented with a rectangle, and this rectangle encloses other set. The universal set in this regard is not the universe, but everything we are talking about in that particular study. So let's say this is set A and B. This Venn diagram is showing the relationship between these two sets. And in this case, these are disjoint sets because there is no overlapping of the shape. And this rectangle encloses them to depict the universal set. And that is all about Venn diagrams. Watch out for more videos to show relationships between two or among three sets.